I honestly didn't expect this time that Xiaomi would release a completely new laptop, and a flagship ultra-thin one at that. This is the brand new Xiaomi Book Pro 14 they've just released. Just plug it in, pull it out, tear off the film. Oh wow, it's surprisingly light.
This lid is quite minimalist, with just a Xiaomi logo. Inside here should be the power adapter. 100 watts, folks, C to C. My first impression after unboxing this laptop is that its appearance is truly premium. Xiaomi calls this color white, but don't you think it has a touch of warmth? The entire lid's material feels incredibly fine, with a matte finish, and its material is magnesium alloy. How should I describe this A-side? When I see someone using this laptop, I feel it's very approachable. And have you noticed how prominent the logo is on this generation's Xiaomi laptop's A-side? We have a definitive assessment. Because this laptop truly looks high-end, our logo needs to be prominent enough to tell you, hey, it's from Xiaomi. Flip the laptop over and let's look at its back. This part is carbon fiber because for a 1 kilo laptop, it's all about extreme weight reduction. On the side, we have the headphone jack, USB-A, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and HDMI. You see, for a 1 kilo laptop, its ports are quite comprehensive. So if you're out for light to moderate work, I don't think you'll need a docking station. We've been talking about this 1 kilo laptop for a while, but just how light is it, right? The official specifications are 1.08 kilograms, but we weighed it at 1.09. Many of you might not have a clear idea of 1.08 kilograms, so let me give you an analogy. My 11-inch iPad with a Magic Keyboard, its weight is about the same. Let me give you another comparison. You've all probably had this, right? Its weight is similar. If you haven't had that one, then let's compare it to the weight of 2 bottles of water. It's about the same. Next, let's open the laptop. You can see it opens and closes very easily with one hand, and its maximum opening angle you see can reach this far. Initially, I was wondering why, then I realized, oh, this screen has touch functionality. This side, the entire tactile feel is very similar to the A side. Folks, look here. The touchpad is very large, extending all the way to the laptop's edge. Unlike traditional mechanical ones, this is a pressure-sensitive haptic pad you can press anywhere, and it has a very advanced linear motor inside. And note, this touchpad also lets you adjust the pressure sensitivity, as well as the strength of the haptic feedback. And at the same time, I just swipe and you see it can take a screenshot. Moreover, the trackpad allows for a firm press in addition to a light one. When you press firmly, you can also choose to screenshot. This keyboard is also quite interesting. It has a titanium alloy support plate on top. I was going to say this keyboard actually has good key travel, but then I noticed its surface. Do you see? It uses a skin-like texture. So when you touch it, it makes you feel, feels great on the skin. On the C side, it's just this is a power button that also integrates fingerprint recognition that gets glossy, framed by a silver ring, clearly distinct from the surrounding material. My understanding is that this makes it easier to find by touch. Next, we'll look at this screen. Xiaomi truly delivered a great display. First, it's 14.6 inches, 3.1K, and it's an OLED screen. Very importantly for a laptop, its manual brightness can reach 500 nits. If you have strong light activation, note that this is full screen brightness, it can go up to 700. And if you're using HDR, it can reach 1600. Also, for eye protection, they still included 2160 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. What I personally like is its color style. This time, they offer 6 types. First, there's professional primary color. For this, Xiaomi created multi-screen color consistency, so your phone and tablet's colors stay consistent. Then, there's one specifically for web browsing and office work. It's slightly yellowish, which I find more eye-friendly. There's a movie mode for watching films, and a vivid one, making colors quite vibrant. Further down, you see an ebook mode here. Then wow, it directly turns black and white. And this is really suitable for reading. Further down, there's also a programming mode. Oh, I don't actually know how to program, but they made it, so you understand. The second highlight of this laptop is naturally its configuration. Everyone, take a look here. It's powered by an Intel Core Ultra X7 358H processor, which is built using Intel's 18A process. Many of our viewers are likely on mobile phones. So just consider this like TSMC's 2nm process, all right? Understand how incredible is its performance in these so-called kilogram laptops. With a 35-watt power consumption, it can achieve the performance of a previous gen 50-watt chip. And this kilogram laptop's performance release reaches up to 50 watts, like this Xiaomi. What does that even mean? Or in the past, we knew that flagship lightweight laptops were generally under 30 watts, and that's quite ridiculous. So how did Xiaomi push their performance so absurdly high? It's quite simple. They crammed in 10,000 square millimeters of cooling. Besides performance, they also included a 72-watt-hour battery. You see, this is the advantage this phone brand has for laptops, and the advantage surely can't be just this, right? Now, let's get to what we're good at. What cool features do Xiaomi laptops offer in terms of connectivity? First, let me show you something really fun. Look, this is an iPhone. I'll use my Xiaomi 14 Ultra to tap the screen, open the My Home app, and I can directly shut down my Xiaomi laptop. Beyond just shutting it down, you can also remotely power on your computer. The logic is quite simple. Laptops can be added to Mijia, and Mijia can then remotely turn your laptop on and off. What does this mean? It means that even if I leave this laptop in my office, when I get home, I can just pick up my Xiaomi tablet and directly remotely power on my laptop. And then
I can manage files from my laptop on my Xiaomi tablet. You see, when everything's from one brand, the experience is truly better, isn't it? The second point is PC level Super Xiao Ai. It supports deep search, so you can ask it all kinds of questions, and naturally, you can also control your devices or manage your media smart home. For example, help me check what new colors the new Xiaomi Suki has. Even though it hasn't finished answering, it's truly very accurate. The second AI file search is truly useful. It identifies all kinds of files using its local large model. No need to worry about privacy leaks, rest assured. For example, let's demonstrate this. Let's just pick a random one, this script. Look, Kwasiju Nung Sudao. This is a script I uploaded earlier. It's definitely much better than Windows built-in search. The third one is a personal knowledge base. What is this thing used for? If you're a product manager, you can throw all your Excels and all your PDFs at it, and it will help you analyze. Or if you're a student, you need to write a thesis. Understand?
This thing is now incredibly useful.
Finally, because it has Dolby Dual speakers,
Let's give everyone something to listen to.
Regarding my in-depth experience with this laptop, we'll talk about it in a month, as I'll be using it as my main work computer. Bye.